Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. By the mid-1960s, Japan's automotive industry was rapidly evolving. Economic growth, modernization, and increasing consumer expectations pushed manufacturers to deliver vehicles that could stand proudly beside established Western brands. Toyota, already gaining global momentum, saw an opportunity to redefine luxury and engineering excellence within its lineup. The result was the third-generation Toyota Crown, introduced in 1967, a car that not only elevated Toyota's domestic prestige but also helped establish Japan's presence in the international executive car market. The 1967 Crown, designated the S50 series, represented a significant departure from the models that came before it. While the first and second generations had already positioned the Crown as Toyota's flagship sedan, the third generation aimed higher, striving for a level of sophistication, comfort, and engineering refinement that could satisfy both Japanese officials and global consumers. Its design captured the spirit of late 1960s automotive progress: modern, squared off, and purposeful. With crisp body lines, a prominent grille, and a stance that conveyed confidence, the new Crown was unmistakably more mature than its predecessors. One of the defining characteristics of the 1967 Crown was its attention to ride comfort and stability. Built on an improved platform, the third generation introduced a more robust suspension design, with Toyota placing particular emphasis on achieving a smooth, quiet ride suitable for business use and chauffeur duty. The car's proportions were slightly enlarged to provide better interior space for passengers, an important consideration as the Crown was frequently used as a taxi, corporate sedan, and government transport vehicle. In an era when Japanese roads were still developing, this focus on comfort and durability proved essential. Under the hood, the Crown offered a range of engines tailored to different markets and purposes. Most models featured Toyota's dependable M-Series inline-six engines, which delivered smooth power and reliability, traits essential for a flagship sedan. The 2.0-liter M engine, in particular, became known for its balance of refinement and durability. Some variants also offered four-cylinder options for markets where displacement taxes shaped consumer demand. Toyota paired these engines with manual or automatic transmissions, the latter still uncommon in Japan's domestic market but increasingly desirable among executive buyers. The Crown's mechanical engineering demonstrated Toyota's commitment to blending performance, economy, and long-term dependability. Inside, the 1967 Crown embraced a philosophy of functional luxury. The cabin was crafted with higher quality materials than most Japanese cars of the time, featuring generous padding, bright trim accents, and a dashboard designed with clarity and restraint. Toyota introduced amenities that catered to professional drivers and executives alike, such as improved ventilation, better sound insulation, and, in some variants, advanced features like power windows and a push-button radio. The Crown's interior wasn't extravagant, but it projected a sense of dignity, a reflection of Japanese design values that favored refinement over flash. Perhaps most significant was the Crown's growing international presence. By the late 1960s, Toyota was actively exporting its vehicles, and the third-generation Crown became one of its ambassadors to foreign markets, including the United States, Australia, and parts of Europe. While the Crown faced stiff competition from American and European sedans, it impressed many drivers with its reliability, quiet ride, and strong build quality. Its growing reputation helped challenge stereotypes about Japanese cars, proving they could compete with long-established brands not just in economy segments, but in executive classes as well. The 1967 Crown also played a key role in shaping Toyota's identity. It represented a moment when the company fully embraced its ability to produce world-class vehicles across multiple categories. The engineering lessons learned from the Crown would influence future Toyota sedans, including the Mark II, Cressida, and ultimately the Lexus LS decades later. In many ways, the third-generation Crown laid the groundwork for Toyota's global reputation for delivering refined, reliable, and thoughtfully engineered luxury vehicles. Today, the third-generation Toyota Crown remains a cherished classic among collectors and enthusiasts of Japanese automotive history. Its clean, formal design and robust mechanical foundations have helped many examples survive well into the modern era. Restored crowns are often seen at classic car events as symbols of Japan's automotive rise, admired for their understated elegance and cultural significance. The model stands as a reminder of a pivotal moment when Japan stepped confidently into the world stage of automotive design. In the long lineage of the Toyota Crown, now spanning over 15 generations, the 1967 edition holds a special place. It represents a turning point, the moment when Toyota's flagship sedan matured into a true international contender. More than just a car, it became a reflection of Japan's ambition, craftsmanship, and growing confidence. The third-generation Crown didn't merely transport passengers, it carried the legacy of a nation preparing to take its place among the automotive leaders of the world. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.